Have you ever wondered what would happen if one day Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Would we just stand still? Or would everything, oceans, air, even people, go flying off the planet? Well, let's find out what would really happen if the Earth stopped turning. Even though it doesn't feel like it, right now you're moving really fast. At the equator, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour, or roughly 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet train. And we don't notice it because everything around us, including the air, is moving at the same speed. But what if, somehow, the planet stopped spinning instantly? If Earth stopped spinning all of a sudden, everything that isn't solidly attached to the ground would keep moving at that same 1,000 miles per hour. That means cars, buildings, oceans, and yes, even you, would be launched eastward at supersonic speed. It would feel like a global-scale car crash. Winds stronger than any hurricane would sweep across continents. Oceans would rush toward the east, creating waves thousands of meters high. Entire coastlines would vanish within minutes. Basically, the surface of Earth would be completely destroyed. Now let's say Earth didn't stop instantly, but slowed down gradually. Even then, strange things would happen. Our planet's rotation helps generate the magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from solar radiation. If Earth stopped spinning, that magnetic field would weaken or disappear, leaving the planet exposed to harmful cosmic rays and solar wind. Over time, Earth's atmosphere could slowly erode, just like what happened to Mars. Without rotation, there would be no day or night cycle as we know it. One side of the planet would face the sun non-stop for 6 months, turning into a deadly desert with temperatures hot enough to boil water. The other side would be locked in endless darkness, freezing colder than Antarctica. In short, one half burns, the other freezes. Earth's rotation also helps shape our oceans. If the spinning stopped, centrifugal force would vanish, causing water to move toward the poles. The equator would dry out, while the Arctic and Antarctic regions would flood, creating massive inland seas. Our map of the world would look completely different. Now, could we ever survive if the Earth stopped spinning? Technically, yes, but only if it slowed down over millions of years. That would give life, the atmosphere, and even humans time to adapt. Gravity would still hold us in place, and days would just keep getting longer, until one day lasted an entire year. So, what would happen if the Earth stopped spinning? Instantly, everything we know would be destroyed. Gradually, life might evolve to adapt to a new kind of world. Thankfully, physics says there's no natural force strong enough to stop Earth's rotation anytime soon. So, you can relax. Our planet's spin isn't stopping today. But still, next time you look up at the sky, remember, you're spinning through space at over 1,000 miles per hour, and you don't even feel it.